What if I told you that your favorite cup of coffee, yes, the one that kickstarts your morning, isn't just filled with caffeine and comfort, but with mold, bacteria, and toxic residue? Sounds extreme, right? But here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people never properly clean their coffee makers, and what's brewing inside could slowly be making you sick, one cup at a time. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Be sure to share it with a friend. And for even more cleaning hacks and resources, join our community by clicking the link below. You'll get access to our free Top 10 cleaning products list and our emergency speed cleaning checklist, plus a free and supportive community of like-minded individuals. What you're about to hear may change your daily ritual and potentially protect your health. Every morning, millions of us wake up to the same soothing routine: warm water, aromatic grounds, the comforting hum of the coffee machine. It's a moment of peace before the chaos of the day. But beneath this ritual is something most of us never think about. Behind the comforting smell of roasted beans, something dangerous is hiding. Inside your coffee maker's reservoir, inside the tubing, even in the carafe itself, bacteria, mold, mineral deposits, and old coffee oils start building up, day after day. The worst part? You can't even see it. Let me tell you about a journalist who reached out to me after one of my videos on hidden household hazards. For months, she had unexplained fatigue and stomach issues. Her doctor thought it was stress. Blood tests? Normal. But something still wasn't right. Until one day, she noticed a strange smell coming from her coffee maker. Curious, she took it apart. Inside the water tank, black mold. Thick, slimy buildup in the tubing. She had been drinking from that every morning. Phyxis too, and trying to keep date interesting smell. She switched to hand-brewed coffee, cleaned out her machine completely, and within weeks, her symptoms faded. Just like that. You see, it wasn't the coffee, it was the machine. Let's understand the why. Coffee makers stay warm and damp after use. It's the perfect environment for mold and bacteria to thrive. Mineral deposits from hard water line the insides of the tubes. Leftover coffee oils stick to surfaces. And because these areas are inside, you don't notice. Unlike a dirty plate or mug, the filth inside your coffee maker hides quietly. It doesn't smell right away. It doesn't look wrong, but it's there, just waiting. And this doesn't just apply to fancy espresso machines. It includes drip machines, pod systems, French presses, everything. Here's how to tell if your coffee maker needs a deep clean. Your coffee tastes off or bitter. You see chalky white buildup in the reservoir. Or, if you're like most people, you just can't remember the last time you cleaned it. Let me walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Empty the machine completely. Pour out any remaining water. Remove the coffee grounds or used pod. Disassemble the parts like the carafe, filter basket, and water reservoir if it's removable. Step 2. Prepare a natural cleaning solution. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water. Vinegar is powerful. It cuts through mold, mineral buildup, and oils. If you don't like the smell, don't worry, it won't last. Step 3. Run a brew cycle with the vinegar solution. Pour it into the water tank and run a full brew cycle without coffee grounds. This flushes the insides, kills bacteria, and dissolves buildup. If your machine is really dirty, repeat the cycle once more. Step 4. Rinse with fresh water. Run 2 to 3 full cycles with clean water to flush out any leftover vinegar taste. Smell the steam. It should start to smell fresh and neutral again. Step 5. Hand wash all removable parts. Use warm soapy water to clean the carafe, filter basket, lid, and any washable components. Use a toothbrush or small brush to scrub tiny corners. Step 6. Wipe down the exterior. Don't forget the buttons, display, and drip tray. Coffee splashes and dust often settle there. And if this video opened your eyes, even a little, please like and subscribe. It tells the algorithm this content matters, and it helps me create more videos that protect your home, your health, and your time. And for even more cleaning hacks and resources, join our community by clicking the link below. You'll get access to our free Top 10 cleaning products list and our emergency speed cleaning checklist, plus a free and supportive community of like-minded individuals. Share this with a coffee-loving friend. You just might save their mornings too. Until next time, stay sharp, stay safe, and keep your coffee clean.